Hey, what's up guys? This is Gerard, back to you with another video on taxation. In this video, I'm going to talk about some basic things about excise tax. Excise tax is a tax on production, sale, or consumption of a commodity in a country, the applicability of which is on goods manufactured or produced in the Philippines for domestic sale or consumption or for any other disposition, and on goods imported. Now in the Philippines, we have two types of excise tax. The first one is a specific tax. The second is ad valorem tax. Now when we say specific tax, these are excise tax which is based on weight or volume capacity or any other physical unit of measure. The manner of computation is number of units per other measurements multiplied by specific tax rate. Conversely, ad valorem tax refers to the excise tax which is based on selling price or other specified value of the goods or articles. It could be computed by the number of units depending on measurements multiplied by selling price of any specified value per unit multiplied by ad valorem tax rate. Now, some of the major updates on excise tax is upon the effectivity of train law, which added some products and services now covered by excise tax, such as non-essential services and sweetened beverages. But do take note of some of the exceptions and other things to consider. So to enumerate some of the major classifications of excisable articles under the tax code as amended, we have the first one, alcohol products, under which we have distilled spirits, wines, and fermented liquors. Second, tobacco products, cigars and cigarettes, and inspection fee. The third one is petroleum products. The fourth one, which is miscellaneous articles. Now we have automobiles. Now take note that if the automobile is purely electric, then no excise tax shall be applicable. For hybrid vehicles such as those 50% run by electric, 50% of the applicable excise tax shall be paid. Next would be non-essential goods followed by non-essential service, which is an update from the train law. An example of this is performance of services on invasive cosmetic procedures. But do take note, if the cosmetic surgery is to ameliorate a deformity arising from an abnormality or others mentioned in the tax code, it shall be exempted from excise tax. Next would be sweetened beverages, which is also an update from the train law. Now some exclusions from this update are all milk products, 100% of either natural fruit or vegetable juice, meal replacements, ground coffee, instant coffee, and those mentioned in the tax code. Lastly, we have mineral products. Lastly, persons liable for excise tax could be, in general, on domestic or local articles, the manufacturer, producer, owner, or persons having possession of articles removed from the place of production without the payment of the tax. And then on imported articles, it would be the importer, the owner, or the person who is found in possession of articles which are exempt from excise taxes other than those legally entitled to exemption. And then others, it would be on indigenous petroleum. In general, the payment on domestic products would be before the release from the place of production, whereas on imported products, it would be before the release from customs custody. And that's it. So for more details on excise tax, you can check out the website of the BIR. I will link it in the description below. And if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos for you. So this is Gerard. Have a great day.